Guys, Asrul here. What's up? Remember me, the guy that produced these kits? Well, despite all those, I had to admit that I'm still a newbie on Airbrush. Okay, there's a few things that I feel the spray painting, the spray can, has a limitation. So it's about time for me to move on to the Airbrush. But luckily today, we have Otai of the Airbrush, Miss Becky, or also known as Becky Customizer.
Hi everybody, I'm Becky from Becky Customizer.
Alright Becky, so I heard that you have a new product to introduce. What is it?
Oh yeah, actually we're having this finisher paints. It's a premium paint from Japan. It has history about 30 years and it's like a small company, a family company, but their paints are very good to use, and they have smooth finishings and very rich pigment, which easy to cover the surface. So today I will introduce how to spray by using finishers. If you want to add thinner inside this cup, you can just pour it a few drops of thinner. Then you just close the opening here. Then push the trigger and pull it back. So the air will be flowing back to the cup, so it will mix all the paints and the thinner evenly. Okay, now I want to show about the different distance object from the airbrush and how the lines will see. Okay. So if you put it closer to the part, you can see that the line will be finer. So when you distance, it will be thicker, and also the trigger also play the parts on the fine and broader line. If you just pull a little bit, so the paint will come out just a little bit. If you pull all the way back, as you can see, actually for this type of airbrush, you need to be careful in the beginning, because there will be some paints accumulated on the cap here, so it will have splashes like this. So when you spray the parts, you need to be start somewhere else before spraying on the parts itself. So this is just a demonstrate. Okay, if you pull all the way, you can see that it will get more of the paints coming out. See? So you can just scribble around, get to know how your airbrush works. Further, nearer, so you can it's like a paintbrush, but operate with air. So you just you need to know how to control the paint flow and everything.
So can I say that in terms of controlling the exposure, you can control by the distance as well as you can control by pulling how far the trigger is?
Yes. Basically for the paintings, I think it got 3 points on the controlling. One is the air pressures, then the thickness of the paints, and the trigger. Okay, I have given Astro some basic tips, so let's see how he's doing on the piece of paper.
Great. Alright, so now I'm going to touch the airbrush for the first time. Okay, so here we go. Now on how actually I should hold the airbrush?
Actually, it's on your convenience. Actually, I prefer the 4-finger.
4-finger like this?
Then just like this. Yes.
Okay. Alright. So now I'm gonna.
Pushing is for air.
Okay. So try first.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. And then I would like to replicate what you have done earlier on testing on the. Okay. The backflow is there. Alright. So now let's see. Whoa. Okay. This is quite fun.
Try do a finer.
Okay, now go for the final one. Press. Not fine enough?
Not fine enough.
Okay, let's try again. Okay. Press.
You gotta go closer, mate.
Oh yeah! Alright. Now I'm gonna wider. And now thicker. Hey, I'm having fun with this. I can't wait to try on my Gunpla.
Okay, good. Great.
Alright. Whew. That was fun.
Okay, now I will show you how to pre-shade first. Okay, so this is the PVC card. So I draw some lines here to imitate the panel lines. So now I will pre-shade for the panel line. So as you can see, the line is in darker tone. I painted along the panel line. Actually, in real, you no need to use black. You can use darker colors of your main colors. This is just demonstrations on how the base, different color of base effect on the colors. Now I will just spray the entire cut. So as you can see, the line is still visible because of the pre-shading we paint just now.
So I can say that if I want a slightly lighter shades of the pre-shades, I can just mix the black with the red to get a more lighter pre-shades color.
Yes, correct. You can just like mix the red with the darker red or black colors to make the shading. So this is post shading. I will just shade on the edge of this cut. So as you can see the difference on the pre-shade and post-shade.
Okay, so pre-shade is more on applying the darker highlights prior to the main painting, and post-shade is more on applying the darker highlight after the main painting is applied.
Yes, correct, that's it.
Alright, so where can I buy these finishes Japan?
Oh, okay, you can buy from my website, eStore Becky Customizer, or from ATT, Angel Trend Tradings.